Okay, today we are going to learn how to use Edpuzzle. Okay, Edpuzzle, and this is a video to show my Panitia BI features. Yeah, so first of all, we need to press log masuk, select your account, go to Guru, go to aplikasi. Okay, we have this Edpuzzle here. Click it, and it will redirect you to the Edpuzzle. Okay, log in. I'm a teacher. Sign with Google. You can sign with your MOE Google account. Yeah. Okay. For this video, I will use this available content from mine, and you can search it through YouTube. And remember to copy the video link. For example, I'll show it here. Go to youtube.com. Okay. For example, I want to use this school dialogue, school conversation, right? You will need to copy the YouTube link back to Edpuzzle, paste it here, and search. Then you will get the video. Okay, you will get the video. Yeah, but we are not going to do about this video. I'll show you mine, which I complete just now. Okay, this one. Okay, how you are going to edit this is you click on the edit button. Okay, it will ask you to cut, but it's okay, because I reviewed the video and found that it is okay, suitable for me to use for my students, so I won't cut it anymore. I'll just need to add some questions after each section of the video. So let's start.
Hi, are you there? Yes. Would you like to drink a cup of coffee? Yes. Could you please finish this project for me? Yes. Could you pass me that bottle, please? Yes.
Okay, for example, I want to add multiple choice question right here, okay, at the time mark of 14 seconds. So I should click on multiple choice question. Okay, then could you give me the bottle? Yes. No. Okay. If this is the correct answer, put it green. Alright, the green tick, the marker is there. Okay. This is the wrong answer, then you put it the red cross. Okay. If you need other answer choices, click add another answer choice. Whatever. Okay. If that's it, then you click save. Okay. If you change your mind, then click cancel.
Well,
Okay.
the word yes.
I'll show you the example here. Okay. And they reach the time frame of 2 minutes 51 seconds. This is my preset questions. What's the difference between the word yes and of course? So the correct answer is to show willingness, which the answer is in the video itself. So they will need to answer correctly. Okay, they will need to answer according to the video. And let's continue.
Moving on to another phrase that you can use when someone phrase, sure
Okay.
I can. Okay? So this kind of gives a very positive impact on the other person who has put in a request. And
okay, this is another section of the question, the second question. What is the difference between the word yes and sure I can? Okay, to show willingness, to show gratitude, to show happiness, to show positive response, and we are going to edit this question. Okay, now the correct answer should be to show positive response here. So I'll just correct the question and click save. Okay, do you note that? Please be careful, yeah? Every single changes that you made is saved automatically to the cloud server. So whenever you want to change something, please do it carefully. Okay? After finish all the questions here, okay, then I can click the finish button and assign. Let's say I want to assign that for them today, and I'm going to assign for my higher primary students, year 5 and year 6 about this. Okay, so first of all, we need to prevent them from skipping the questions. Okay, and we want it to be posted on Google Classroom. Okay, so, and if you want to put in the due date, you can do it so by clicking here. Okay, save. That's it. You can click assign. Okay, this is the panel for you to notice the progress of the students. Yeah, every student that you assign, you'll get the report from here. And we can go back to menu guru, pembelajaran digital. We go to Google Classroom. Six P. The classwork just now. View assignment. Here you can have a look at the class, the work. Okay, that's all.